All right, let's go through the possible answers together. We're definitely going to match 1368 because it's in the language of this regular expression. It's 4 copies of 0 through 9 together. By default, the value of the token, that is, when it comes into us, it's just the string 1368. But we're going to convert it to an integer using this cast or conversion here. So at the end of the day, it's going to be 1368. It's not going to be the string 1368 because we have this special conversion. It's not going to be the string 1 because the maximal munch rule means that we're not going to match just 1. We match all 4 digits. Similarly, it's not going to be the integer 1 because we match 1368. It's also not going to be the empty string. We definitely match 1368. And 1368 is a good number to match. That's the approximate year when the Ming Dynasty started. They featured a strong central government in China, but perhaps they're best known because most of the Great Wall that we can see was either built or repaired during the Ming Dynasty. This is my Great Wall sketch. You can tell it's the Great Wall because it's got a label that says Great Wall.